Hey, Yellow.
What?
Check out who I found. Check out what I found in the freezer.
What?
Hey.
Who are you?
I'm Ice.
Oh. 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 What's that for?
Oh, I have these powers that let me freeze stuff. What? Did you just freeze him? Yeah. Yeah. He was being annoying. He wasn't being annoying yet. Want me to unfreeze him? Okay. Let me do this.
Oh, thank God.
Hey, look. Look, I found a wallet.
Wait, really?
Oh. Hey, what are you doing with that wallet?
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Ow!
Oh, my foot. Somebody take me to the hospital. Ah!
Bye, guys.
Ow! Red, come help me.
Well, I need some money to take you to the hospital. Where's all the money? I'm pretty sure I had $11 in there.
Oh my God, someone help me, my foot. I think it's broken.
This is how it all started. Hey, you want anything to drink?
No, I just want some Takis. They're my favorite food.
Well, you're getting a little bit fat, and you have that mile run marathon soon.
This is Mexican food. I don't care.
You should probably work out, though.
Crap, but I was gonna play some video games.
First workouts, then video games, okay?
I wanna eat it. Yum, that tastes good.
Well, I'm gonna go and see what's in the freezer. Okay, so what to have to drink? Well, I got an empty Gatorade bottle. I guess I could put something in here. I'm gonna have some ice first. Hey, man, I'm from space. Can you please let me out of here? Okay. So, what's your name, man? Oh, I'm Ice. That's cool. Haha, I get it. So, Yellowbird, are you lifting up those weights?
I'm still eating the Takis.
Well, let's go. Okay. Ow! Sorry. It's okay. Present time.
Ow, this hurts so bad!
It
still hurts!
I need some money!
Oh my God, it hurts! Somebody get me to the hospital!
Well, I'm gonna see you. What happened to my $11,000?
How am I gonna get? Oh my God, how am I gonna get out of here? I'm gonna try to stand up. Ow!
Your leg is now fixed. Now we can.
No, it's not. It still hurts. Oh God. Oh, it was just a sprain.
Let's just go and get ice, so then we could get my money back.
Okay.
Oh man, I got $11,000. No one can stop me except for us. Huh? Oh, sorry. I meant except for us.
Anyway, who broke my foot?
Oh, you did. You're not that strong.
But
Oh yeah. Stay cool. You will pay for freezing my friend. Oh. There's no way no one can stop me. Oh, Terrence. Wait, what? Oh. You can have your money now. Oh, stay cool. Wait, what? Oh.
what just happened?
Oh, you're frozen. I'm gonna destroy this ice cube.
Wait, are you Terrence? Why are you so not as big and red?
Oh, because
And why does it look like you have green chicken pox?
Oh, because, well, the Angry Birds company hasn't made a new a new Terrence plushie yet, so yeah. No, not to space! Well, Red, here's your money. Oh, thanks, man. I definitely owe you.
Man, I almost had to go to the hospital.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. The tryouts are tomorrow, so you better start running.
Okay.
Right now.
No, I want to eat some Takis still.
How about this? I'll give you all the bags of Takis I have if you run 19 laps.
Oh God, that's gonna take like 30 minutes.
Oh please, I've seen you run around the entire Hawaii island in less than 2 seconds.
Oh duh.
So it'll probably take you about 2 minutes to finish. So run.
Okay.
So will we ever see Iceberg again? Probably. Ugh. Stupid Angry Birds. Someday I will get back at it. Someday I will. Wait a minute. Birds like eggs. I have eggs. If I take the eggs, then that means that... Oh, I got an idea.
17, 18, 19, 20! Wait, I did one more. Wait, how are you still alive?
Oh, yeah. I'm just a vision. So you can just run right past me. Because I'm just a vision.
Yeah, Rich.
I'll take these and...
And you still find them frozen.
He's not frozen.
Where'd he go?
Well, time to take the eggs. Hey, where are the eggs? I'm supposed to take them, not someone else. Oh, hey. No more.
Oh, I'm going poop on you.
Your butt smells like Chipotle.
Oh, I'm gonna go pee too.
Hey, yellow bird, you looking for these? You can't survive 1 second in space.
Oh, let's see about that.
Now that I have the eggs, who is gonna stop me? What will the birds get their eggs back? Stop. Can you please stop the breathing? Why are the eggs all different colors? That's because I couldn't find one at the same eggs. And what will happen next on the Angry Birds Space Series? Peace out.